Okay. This is Friday. We're going to be hunting down the politician in about an hour, 2 o'clock when they leave. I'm only going to get one politician. Anyway, never mind that. A couple of people asked me today, they said, what's going on? I seen the video, Charles. I said, which one? There's so many. The one where the 2 police officers grab you in Edmundston. The 2 Edmundston cops that grab you on the street. What's the latest? You see, go to YouTube, write Edmundston Police, and you'll see the video. Issues like Michel Viano is in front of the courts. You can't comment, but I will say a few things on this issue. What happened there, we don't know if it's legal. It's coming to a point that the government will have to do something if the justice system says that plainclothes cops are allowed to go after the citizen of New Brunswick. And if the citizen moves or something, they could shoot them dead. I could have been shot dead very, very easily. Now, these two officers worked on my case for 2 years from orders from 6 members of the Fredericton Police Force. So the Fredericton Police Force took it upon themselves, and Leanne Fish said, oh, that was done without me knowing. La merde. Took it upon themselves and want me charged for $300. Now, they told the media, we will give our file to the prosecutor in 1 to 2 weeks. 3 months later, there was nothing. Now, finally, on February 17th, they give their file to the prosecutor. I showed up at the prosecutor office. There's nothing there. The Attorney General took the file, gave it to an outside firm outside of Fredericton for them to review my file. I was concerned. I said, okay, hold it. What did you give them? Did you just put the part, well, Mr. LeBlanc called police officers pedophiles? See, I don't go around and call, if I call a cop a pedophile, that's mean. That's terrible. You don't go around and call people pedophiles. But they're the one that came after me with this. I, Detective Rob Costello, peace officer, really, I am conducting, thought I could say this by heart without looking by now. I am conducting a criminal investigation relating to a child sexual exploitation offense. So, 8 cops raided this place. They believed that I was a pedophile. And I fought back. So, the public wants to know, we put a complaint, a huge, detailed complaint, because I had my camera on when that happened. You could see it on YouTube. The New Brunswick Police Commission is waiting for this outside agency, I wonder if they're cops, anyway, or former cops, to say to the prosecutor and the cops, arrest Mr. LeBlanc. There's enough here to convict. And here we go again. I went to court Monday and Tuesday for my civil suit against the Fredericton Police. I believe the Irvings have been told to back off because it looks like the Irvings media are working very, very close with the police chief to make them look good. This is like Pravda, the Russia newspaper. I wish the Irvings would have been there, because my God, it was a showcase. I couldn't say anything because of this pending charge of 300, 5 years in jail. That's from the Edmundston Police. That could be, anything I say could be held against me in a court of law. So I never said a word. We had Paulette Garnett, her name. I'm going to reserve my, I'm not going to say, there's a lot of stuff that happened in there. Thank God I had some witnesses. I'm not going to, we'll let the process go. But there was a lot of stuff that happened in that courtroom that if I would have had a lawyer, oh my God, that lawyer would have had a field day. Bottom line, what's going on with the two cops that grabbed me? This is not over yet. To the people that's concerned, I know it's St. Patrick's Day and maybe the cops will be grabbing you off the street tonight, plain clothes, who knows? We're going to wait to see what this outside agency is going to do. Once I'm charged, I want to know who this outside agency is. Is it Barry Midnight? Is it former lawyers? That's former cops, you know. You just can't give it to an outside agency and just say, okay, you know what I mean. Too many unanswered questions. Truly, stay tuned and happy St. Patrick's Day.